Hi, welcome back to my channel Skills Set Go. In this video we will see some of the problems with using what you can trick your friends. So you just need to ask your friend to follow these steps. So let's go to the steps. So first ask your friend to think of a number, then ask him to multiply it by 3, then ask him to add 6, then ask him to divide the number by 3, and lastly ask him to subtract the first number he thought from the result. So after doing all calculations, you can reveal your friend the answer without asking him. Every time the answer will be 2. So whatever the number your friend think, but the result after doing all these steps will be 2. So let's take an example and follow these steps. So think of a number. So let's say I took 100 and multiply it by 3. So if I multiply, it will become 300. Then add 6. If I add, it will become 306. Then divide this number by 3. If I divide by 3, it will become 102. And lastly, subtract the number you think from this answer. So the starting number I thought is 100. I need to subtract from this result. So 102 minus 100 is always 2. So we got the result. Let's take another number and do the same calculation and see whether we will get the same result like 2 or not. Let's take a number 12 and multiply it by 3. If I multiply it by 3, 3 to 6, 3 1 3, 36, and add 6. If I add 6, I will get 42 and divide this number by 3. If I divide by 3, 3 ones, 3 fours, so I will get 14. Then lastly subtract the number from the result. The starting number I thought is 12. I need to subtract from 14. So 14 minus 12 is 2 again. So in the second time also we got the same result 2. So whatever the number your friend think of, but the result will be 2. So let's see why the result is 2. Let's form an equation with using all these steps. So think of a number. Let's take an x and multiply it by 3. I multiplied it by 3. So let's take a number x and multiply it by 3. And last, our third step, add 6 and divide this number by 3. So we need to divide by 3. And lastly, subtract the number you think from this number. So the number we think is x. So lastly, we need to subtract x. So this is the equation we formed with using these steps. If we evaluate this equation, we need to get 2. Let's evaluate and see the result. So let's evaluate. It will be x into 3 plus 6 minus 3 into 3x by 3. So if you do x into 3, it will be 3x plus 6 minus 3x by 3. And if you see 3x minus 3x, it will go, and lastly 6 by 3. So that is nothing but 2. So the final result is 2. So whatever the value, if we keep x, but the result will be 2. So this is the proof for that steps which we followed before. So with using the steps, you can trick your friend. You can tell every time the answer is 2. I hope you liked this problem and understood the equation also. Please like and share my channel. Thank you for watching.